Once upon a time, there were four princesses. Princess Victoria, Princess Oscarina, and Princess Christina, and Princess Richard. They were all in the search for their fellow boyfriend knight, Jacob, from the island of Deerhopper, and from the tribe of the Earback, and the Jamaican vampire volleyball player,
Come on, Victor!
Boying Castle of the Peak with the help of Peasant Elijah and Isaac. The princesses had a special twerking power, which was only at their maximum strength when done by all princesses. They were on the search for almost like 2 minutes or something, and they were determined to find their knights before 7, because the new season of The Bachelorette was starting at that time.
Come on, Victor!
Making their way over there to the... They're making their way up. When they found their beloved knights, they found them in a state of hypnosis from such physics lectures on the topic of random topics such as random evil Mr. Mary. So then they used their powerful almighty power to get them out of that hypnosis state.
Wow, you twerk!
And so they lived happily ever after, together in the castle of the Peak, singing their favorite song. Sing along, everyone.
Radiation, let me tell you what they are. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared radiation, visible light, ultraviolet X-rays, gamma rays. From the TV station to your living room, that is the work of radio waves.